So I'm taking that out. Why? Why the hell not? So, let's start from the top. This panel right here is a pain. Really a pain. It's nice and tight, and it's got 500 clips holding it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right down the whole row. Look at that. You see? You can get it out. I have faith in you. With plastic. Okay? You want to get something thin. Alright, you want to get up under. Revealing screw, and screw. Now we have more screws behind this little guy. That little speaker look-alike thing, that's what this is. Just an empty panel. Now, it does show you, I don't want to snap it back in because it's a pain in the butt. It does show you where to put your tool. Right there. Little, I don't want to say it, but it's a slit. You see? You can sort of see that little gap right there. That's what helps you get up under. I use both of these guys. One working coincide one another. Jam this one as hard as possible, and then worked with this one, and it went along back and forth to get this panel off. 4 screws, why? I don't know, but you got more. Four here, and I think only 5 here, or maybe even 4. I don't know. But then we lift up both hands because this thing's fragile. See? So this sits there. This sits there. And so on and so forth. That's what you're pulling up. Got it? Good. Here's that little speaker you want to get rid of. Ooh, just unplug it. Yeah, that'd be nice. I bet you it'll probably know. But 2 plugs. Part number? I don't know. Is that the part number of this huge, gigantic thing? I think that's the part number. There you go, right there, 94003. Alright, so that's what we're going to end up doing. We're going to put this back. Let's make sure these line back up. What that is, I have no idea. I don't think it's the radio. No. Oh, should I take it out? Well, let's see. Not sure what that is, but we're going to look that up. But it was 2 screws, 1, 2, and then a 10 mil on the bottom. Now, if you look, it has what looks like antennas. That's one big antenna. I don't know if these are speaker wires, but I'm gonna look this up and see what this is. But either way, that's what this is, and I'll put it in the description and all that good stuff. And there's your last post on the bottom right there. There you go, right at the edge of my finger right there. So let's put it back. See, make sure it's nice and tight, nice and pushed down firmly. These 2 little guys right here are put back properly so they line up, you see. But as you put the screws back, it'll line itself back up. So let's put them back and show you that's all you need. See? Now we can put this tight thing back. Super tight. And this thing's really tight. There you go. Pop this cover back. I'll show you how tight this thing is. There you go. That's the little slit I was talking about. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.